Bonjour, ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Wanna learn what I just said? Meet you on the next side of the intro. Hi guys, I hope you all are doing fine. This is the first video for French language, and the book that I'm referring to is for class 6 students, Apprenons le français. But this video is also for everyone out there who want to learn the French language, as I would be going a little bit beyond the curriculum also. And those videos will be tagged, which are for students, and the videos which are not for students would be tagged as well, so don't worry there. Okay, and yes, of course, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive further notifications for the videos yet to be uploaded. Okay, now France, what an exotic, lovely place, and an equally sweet language to learn. You know, French language is very soft, very smooth, soothing. If by any chance if you get to hear two people who are talking in French, you will realize that the accent that they use is very soft and smooth. You know, they don't use the harsh accents. Like for example, the word K, it's rarely used, and its pronunciation and accent is also a little bit harsh, but it's rarely used in French. Okay, now before starting to learn any language, it's really important to know a little bit about the place. You know, it will help in the better understanding of the language. Okay, so I have few facts about France today. Okay, let's start with the geographical location. Okay, as you all know, France is in the European continent, and it is between the Mediterranean Sea and the English Channel. Okay, if you look at the map of France, you will see that France is roughly hexagonal in shape. Okay, so hexagonal in shape. Because of this, France is popularly known as Le Hexagon. Le Hexagon. Okay, and the English translation would be the hexagon. Okay, La capitale de la France est Paris. The capital of France is Paris. Now when we speak in French, we do not pronounce the last letter. Okay, so for example, if I look at Paris, in English we pronounce it as Paris, but when we say it in French, we do not pronounce this letter S. Okay, so we say Paris. Alright, La capitale de la France est Paris. The capital of France is Paris. Paris is also popularly known as La Ville Luminaire. La Ville Luminaire, or the city of lights. Okay, because of its role during the age of enlightenment, and also because it was the first city to use gas street lights. The currency which is prevalent in France is euro. Now coming to le drapeau français, the French flag. Le drapeau français est tricolore, bleu, blanc, rouge. Le drapeau français est tricolore, bleu, blanc, rouge. Bleu, blanc, rouge. The French flag, le drapeau français, the French flag is tricolor, just like the Indian flag, but the colors are blue, white, red. Bleu, blanc, rouge. Okay? Now, le 4 juillet, c'est un jour très important. Le 4 juillet, the 14th of July, it's a very important day because it's the Republic Day of France. Alright, now coming to some of the famous monuments and attractions in France. First we'll see the monuments. The monuments, La Tour Eiffel, or the Eiffel Tower. La Tour Eiffel, or the Eiffel Tower. Okay, Au Parc du Champ de Mars à Paris. It is in the Park of Champ de Mars in Paris. The second is La Cathédrale de Notre Dame, or the Church of the Notre Dame. La Cathédrale, the church. The name of the church is Notre Dame. La Cathédrale de Notre Dame. And dans la île de la Cité Paris. It is in la île de la Cité Paris. It is in the city island of Paris. Le Arc de Triomphe, l'Étoile. The Arc de Triomphe, or the Victory Arc. En haut des Champs-Élysées à Paris. It is at the top of the Garden Alley in Paris. Okay, coming to Le Château de Versailles. Now, France is famous for its castles. Okay, and the most famous of the castles is Le Château de Versailles. Okay, à Versailles, près de Paris. The Château de Versailles is in the city of Versailles. Versailles is also a name of the city. Versailles, near Paris. The city is near Paris. Then coming to Les Arènes d'Arles, the arena. Les Arènes d'Arles, or the arena. Les Arènes d'Arles. Where is it? Amphitheatre Roman. It is a Roman amphitheatre. So, this is of Roman architecture. It's an amphitheatre. Okay, Roman amphitheatre. Amphitheatre Romain au sud de la France à Arles. It is in the southern part of the France, in the city of Arles. Now, coming to the museums, France is famous for its museums. The most famous of them is the Musée du Louvre. Okay, the Louvre Museum. Le Musée d'Orsay, another museum which is very famous, and here you can find the paintings from late 19th century to the early of 20th century. Le Fromage. France is famous for its cheese and wines. Fromage is cheese. The most famous cheese of France are Le Camembert, Le Gruyere. There's also Le Brie. I have written few examples here, but there are lots of examples. Alright, Le Fromage, Le Camembert, Le Gruyere, Le Brie. The wines, Le Vin, Le Bourgogne, Le Bordeaux. And also, last but not the least, France is also famous for its fashion. Okay, now again in fashion we have lots of brands from France, but I have listed only two: Christian Dior and Yves Saint Laurent. France is famous for its fashion also, Christian Dior and Yves Saint Laurent. Okay, and also it is famous for its perfumes. Okay, so this is it for this video. Few facts about France, what is it famous for, and a little bit introduction to few of the words which you will be learning soon, and you can also note down from this video. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and comment on the video, click on the bell icon. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. See you next time.